guys, Troy here. This is Great Things by Phil Wickham. This was a request from one of the Guitar for His Glory members, so I decided to tackle it. I've always been a big Phil Wickham fan. I think he's an awesome writer. He has awesome lyrics, very biblical lyrics, which I certainly respect him for maintaining that commitment. Writes awesome hooks, has very energetic songs, very deep songs, very emotional songs. Just been a big Phil Wickham fan for a long time. He's been supplying the church with anthems for years and years, so definitely appreciate his commitment to the church in that regard. Also been a big fan of his rhythm section for a long time too. Taylor Johnson's been his guitar player for quite some time now. He's all over a lot of the songs that you've heard and probably play in church, and I'm not sure if he's on this album though, so if someone can answer that in the comments below, I'd appreciate that. I'd like to know. But I tried to tackle this one the best I could. The chords in the chorus are hard to hear, so I'm hoping that the shapes I chose kind of captured the essence of what's going on there. It's certainly something I'm not used to with playing with less delay and less reverb. It's just basically chorus on, comparatively speaking, on a dry guitar signal and just strumming, which is not my thing at all, but did the best I could, so I hope it's helpful for you. I hope it kind of reveals the parts and that you're able to put them to use in your church if you guys decide to play this song. So this is Great Things by Phil Wickham. Hope you guys enjoy it.